Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. And we are going to work on our Micro Wednesdays once again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Another 20 buckaroos. Okay, so we have this Friday, or no, we have this Wednesday and next Wednesday to work on our Micro Wednesday savings challenges. And y'all, I'm really hopeful that we will be able to come back and complete at least maybe a couple of them. Maybe, oh, hey, who knows? We might complete some tonight. Let's see. I don't remember how they were set up last time. We're going to go ahead and roll the dice and grab the cash. We're going to start with our first one here. $1. 6. Oh, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For those of you who don't know, I am low income, so to see me roll a 6 stresses me a little bit. 1, 2, 3, because I like to get all of them some cash. 5. Oh man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right, what do we have here? 1. Okay, that's good. Let's see here. 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, and oh, we finished 1. Oh, nope, we finished 2. We finished 2 because this last dollar is going here. Okay, that's wonderful because, oh man, I was trying to figure out next week's money for my Micro Wednesdays. And with 2 of them being completed, that helps quite a bit. Let's see here. So we have 3 and 1. We are so awesome completing a couple of these, and I'm blushing. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. Yes. $15. Okay, I'm actually kind of glad that I decided to work on it tonight. So we have 1. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's see what we have in total. All this cash. All right, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 and 15, okay. All right. I wonder if, no, I'm gonna really, I was gonna say just bring like 10 bucks and try to finish the last 3 next week, but I think I'm gonna try to bring 20 because, like I said, my goal was $100 for the month for my micro savings challenges. So we'll see. 3. I mean, I keep you guys guessing, but I keep me guessing more because I have no idea. I do have plans or dreams or goals, and I, just however I think I would like for things to turn out, but it doesn't always work out that way. But so you're just as surprised as how things turn out for me as I am. I do know ahead before you, but that's about it. Just a little bit before I film how things are going to turn out. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 doll hairs for this savings challenge. 1 more and it's completed. And I've mentioned before that I made these images on ChatGPT, and you just ask it to prompt the caricature. I'm not certain if I'm saying that correct, but you just put an image in and it generates a fun little cartoon kind of image. And then I bought the stickers from Dollar Tree, and the little envelopes are from Amazon, and my binder was from CassieJBudgets a long time ago. All right, we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Okay, let's see. In total, we have 5, 10, 15, what? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That's wild. 22 bucks. Oh, it has 2 6s. The 6s add up very quickly. Let's see, is that right? I think it is. Yay! So we only need a few more bucks, y'all, but alright, this one's getting 1 doll here. And in total, she has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 doll hairs. Yay! Alright, we did complete 2 of our savings challenges, which I'm very impressed with myself. I don't know if you've noticed, I do get a little bit anxious, and when I'm planning the way I'd like for things to go, and then to see it actually come to pass, and to see things turn out the way I envisioned, where I'm completing savings challenges, is so wild to me. But we will be back next week with whatever I can come up with. I am going to try very hard, even if it means sacrificing my mommy money, because I give myself a weekly budget of $10 just for spending. So if I have to sacrifice that, or wherever I have to pull those funds from, you all, it's gonna happen. We are coming back next week. My goal is 20 bucks. We'll see how it all plays out. I'd like to believe that I had got it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. So, but yes, you all, thank you for coming back and checking me out and seeing what's going on, and see if I'm keeping up with my plan for my Micro Wednesday savings challenges. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.